Health benefits of onion juice. This is why you should add this juice to your diet. Onions have a lot of medicinal properties, and that's probably why they're a large part of our diet, but some onion juice can go a long way in health care. Keep watching to know more. Onions are known to have numerous health benefits and medicinal properties. They are rich in a variety of vitamins and minerals as well. They're a large part of our diet. We add onions in our salad and in our vegetables and curries. Our Indian cuisine hardly has any food that does not have onions in it. They add a lot of flavor to our food along with the health benefits. Now, we've all come across the numerous beauty benefits of onions and onion juice, but other than treating skin and hair problems, it also has some health benefits which make it a great drink for our body and health. Onion juice may not taste amazing, but it can do a lot more than just boost hair growth and fight acne. This is why we need to add some onion juice to our diet to promote better health and stay strong. For those of you who do not know about the health benefits of consuming onion juice, keep watching. Health benefits of onion juice. This is why you should add this juice to your diet. Onions have a lot of medicinal properties, and that's probably why they're a large part of our diet, but some onion juice can go a long way in health care. Here are some health benefits of onion juice. 1. Onion juice has immunity-boosting properties and can help our immune system fight off disease, bacteria, infections and viruses. It contains selenium, which plays a big role in boosting your immunity levels. 2. Onion juice can work wonders for people who have blood sugar problems. It contains compounds which can help reduce the glucose levels in your body and help in managing diabetes. 3. Onion juice is full of fiber and prebiotics, which are important for our gut health. It improves the balance of gut bacteria and improves our digestive system. 4. Onion juice is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it can reduce inflammation. It is known to lower cholesterol levels, which plays a big role in our heart health. It also helps in managing blood pressure. This is why onion juice can work wonders for our heart health and reduce the risk of developing heart problems.